Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about uses of carbon dioxide. These topics are under ICSE Standard 8 syllabus from the chapter Carbon and its Compound. So why these uses are important to study? Because behind each and every use there is one particular scientific reason. So we need to study that, and this kind of questions are likely to come in exam. That why this is used as this application, and that is for carbon dioxide. So we have to mention that particular reason, and that scientific reason we have to mention it. So first is it is used in soda manufacturing companies. Why? Because what soda we are preparing by passage of carbon dioxide into water under pressure, and we often see that whenever cola bottle or soda bottle we are opening, with lot of pressure the effervescences are coming out. Why? Because we have dissolved carbon dioxide into that under pressure. So when we are opening a bottle cap, that pressure is released and carbon dioxide gas is evolved out. So because of that, we are using carbon dioxide in soda manufacturing, and we know that solubility of carbon dioxide is fairly high in water. So it is easily soluble in the water. Now second is dry ice. Sudden evaporation results in freezing and formation of dry ice. This is carbon dioxide freezes very easily compared to water. So the sudden evaporation results in freezing and formation of dry ice. That's why it is used in refrigerant and for preservation of food. It is very easy to freeze the carbon dioxide gas. So that's why it is used in refrigerant and preservation of food. Then third is for the preparation of baked food we are using carbon dioxide. How? Because we are using baking powder. So how we are manufacturing baking powder? With the reaction of these three compounds we can make baking powder, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate plus potassium hydrogen tartrate and starch. When these three we are mixing, we can make baking powder, and it has a huge application in baking industry. Third is for the extinguishing fire. As a fire extinguisher, we are using carbon dioxide because it is non-combustible, it is non-supporter of combustion. So we can use it in fire extinguisher. Then fifth one is photosynthesis. We know that plant use carbon dioxide to do photosynthesis with chlorophyll and in presence of sunlight. So carbon dioxide gas is very important for all the plants and vegetation on the earth. So how the question will be asked from this topic? For this, the reason will be asked that carbon dioxide gas is used in soda manufacturing industry, or another way is when we are opening a cap of a soda bottle, some effervescences are coming out. What is the reason? Then we have to mention that carbon dioxide gas, how they are filling it, and when we are opening a cap, pressure is released and carbon dioxide gas is coming out. That's why that sound is coming, and we can see that effervescence of the carbon dioxide. Then for second use, the question can come is why we are using dry ice instead of ice which is manufactured from the water in refrigerant and preservation of food. Then we can mention dry ice freezes faster and it will last long compared to water ice. So that's why we are using dry ice instead of the natural ice or instead of the ice made up of water. Then for baked food, the question can be asked that carbon dioxide has a huge application in baking industry or in to make a baked food. Then we can write that baking powder what they are using for the bread or pastry is we are making from this reaction where the carbon dioxide gas is important ingredient. Then in fire extinguisher also carbon dioxide is used. Why? Because it is non-supporter of combustion, it is not combustible, and that's why we are using it in fire extinguisher. And the last one is very easy, that why the carbon dioxide gas is important for vegetation and all the plants on the planet. Then we need to mention this reason that in photosynthesis plants are using the carbon dioxide. So this is how the question can be asked from the uses, or sometimes directly they will ask it 2 mark, that mention the 4 uses of carbon dioxide. All the reasons and questions I have mentioned in a comment down below. Please check the pinned comment for more questions. Now let us see that how fire extinguisher actually work. This is a fire extinguisher, and in this small test tube like, we have taken concentrated H2SO4, and in this vessel we have taken sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. So when we will pull this valve, at that time this concentrated sulfuric acid will mix with sodium bicarbonate, and this reaction will give us carbon dioxide gas. Now this carbon dioxide gas will be in liquid form, where when this reaction is happening, at that time the carbon dioxide will be in liquid form and it will liberate it through this nozzle. It comes out through this nozzle, and till that time it will be in solution form. When it comes out with pressure, when it comes out, it will freezes and it will give a white snowy dry ice. So when the reaction will happen in between sodium hydrogen carbonate and concentrated H2SO4, it will give us liquid carbon dioxide. When it comes out from pressurized container to open area, this liquid will become a white snowy dry ice. Earlier in application we have seen that when it comes out, or when it is in under pressure and immediately it comes out, then it will form a dry ice. So it has application and it is used in electrical and oil generated fires, because we cannot use water when fire is through electrical fault or it is because of the oil. On the spot we can make a dry ice and we can use it. So at that time solid carbon dioxide or carbon dioxide ways to extinguish fire.